Hello friends, today we'll start with another example, a standard example on strain energy method. Find deflection under point load P at midspan of simply supported beam of span L. Say this is the diagram. Say at midspan there is load P, total span is L. Let this be at half the distance. So let us start with the solution. So first draw a line diagram. Remove the supports, put the reaction components, put the load P. Let this be point A, B and C. Let these distances be half the span means L by 2, L by 2. First we need to calculate reactions RA, RB. Summation of moments about A is equal to 0. Keep your finger at A. Clockwise moments are positive. Minus RB into L plus P into L by 2 is equal to 0. Minus RB into L plus P into L by 2 is equal to 0. Or RB is equal to P by 2. Similarly, summation of moments about B is equal to 0. So I can write RA into L minus P into L by 2 is equal to 0. Or RA is equal to P by 2. Write the values here. P by 2, P by 2. Now let me calculate moment at any given section. Say I am going to take one section from A to C, another section from B to C. Let this be at section X. Let this section be at distance X. Very important is here is arrow. I am starting from A going till C. I am starting from B going till C. I have to cover whole beam AC. Now moment at any section MX is given by RA into X. Load into perpendicular distance X. So RA is P by 2 into X. So this is the load. Next, strain energy. I am going to find strain energy once for AC and another time for BC and add them together. Now strain energy for AC is integration of 0 to L by 2. Distance is L by 2. 0 to L by 2 m square by 2 EI dx. So I can write 0 to L by 2 m square by 2 EI dx plus strain energy for section BC. Again same bending moment m square by 2 EI into dx. Again here limits or length. Length is here it is 0, here it is L by 2. So 0 to L by 2 m square by 2 EI dx. Now substitute the values. Here 2 EI is constant. Take it outside. 1 upon 2 EI 0 to L by 2. So m is P by 2 x bracket square dx plus 1 upon 2 EI 0 to L by 2 P into x by 2 bracket square dx. Now you add them together 2 EI, 2 EI, you get 1 EI 0 to L by 2. Expand this P square L square by 4. P square L square by 4 dx. Again here P and 4 are constant, x is variable. So integrate x square with respect to dx. So actually this is 1 upon 4 EI. So EI. So I get P square by, take it outside the bracket, 4 EI. Integration of x square, it is x cube by 3, 0 to L by 2. Once substitute x is equal to L by 2, next time substitute x is equal to 0. So I get P square by 4 EI x cube, x is equal to L by 2, L by 2 bracket cube divided by 3, so p square by 4 ei into 3. I am going to take this outside the bracket. Now L by 2 bracket cube, so that gives me L cube by 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing by 8. P square L cube by 4 ei into 8. So strain energy, I get the equation P square L cube by 96 ei. Let this be equation 1. Now work done is equal to half P into delta, where P is load, delta is deflection. Let this be equation 2. Equating work done to strain energy, half P into delta is equal to P square L cube by 96 ei, or P is equal to here P into L cube divided by 2 divided by 96 ei, so I get 48 ei. This is the deflection under the point load, PL cube by 48 ei. Let us take next example. Find deflection under the point load. The given beam is like this. Point load is 50 kilonewtons at 3 meters from A, and this is 4 meters. Here it is 2 ei, 3 ei. So first step will be developing a free body diagram or a line diagram. Draw a equivalent beam. Replace the supports by reaction components, RA, RB. Put the loads. Let this distance be 3, 4. Write the EI values, 2 EI, 3 EI. So your first step will be calculating reactions. Summation of moments about A is equal to 0. Bending moments about A. RB into 7 minus 50 into 3. So minus RB into 7 plus 50 into 3 is equal to 0, or RB is equal to 21.43 kilonewtons. So similarly, summation of moments about B is equal to 0 about B. Clockwise moments are positive, so RA into 7 minus 50 into 4 is equal to 0. RA into 7 minus 50 into 4 is equal to 0, or you get RA is equal to 27.58 kilonewtons. Now let me write moment equation, mx equation for section AC and BC. Let this be A, B and C. I will take a section here. Let this distance be x. Another section I am going to take it here. Start from B, go till C. This is the arrow. Let this distance be x. Very important here are arrows. I am going from A to C. I am going from B to C. I have to cover the whole B. Next, for segment AC, moment mx is equal to RA into x. So that gives me value 28.57 into x. For segment BC, moment mx is equal to, here at this section, RB into perpendicular distance x. RB into x, I get the value 21.43 x. Now strain energy is given by equation. So strain energy is equal to integration of 0 to L m square by 2 ei dx. This is for whole beam. Now I am going to add for AC and BC both together. So for AC I can write 0 to, here for AC limits are 0 to 3. this distance 0 to 3 mx is 28.51 into x bracket square divided by 2 into ei. So here ei value is 2 ei, so 2 into 2 ei dx plus, now for bc here, for bc moment mx is 21.43 x, limits are 0 to 4 this distance, so limit 0 to 4, 21.43 into x bracket square divided by 2 into, here ei value is 3, 2 into 3 ei dx. So solving this I get 28.57 bracket square, so 816.25 divided by 2 into 2 ei, 4 ei 0 to 3 x square dx plus 21.43 bracket square, 459.25 divided by 2 into 3, 6 ei 0 to 4 x square dx. Now I'll integrate these things, 816.25 divided by 4 ei, integration of x square is x cube by 3, limits are 0 to 3 plus 459.25 divided by 6 ei, limits are x cube by 3, 0 to 4. So substitute the values, 816 by 4 ei, x is 3, 3 cube by 3 plus 459.25 divided by 6 ei, x is 4, 4 cube by 3, you get the value 612 by ei plus 408 by ei. So solving all these you get strain energy is equal to, so here these values are 612 by ei, 408 by ei. So total strain energy you get 1020 by ei. Let this be equation 1. Work done is equal to half P into delta. Half P is 50 load into delta, so you get 25 delta. Let this be equation 2. Equating work done to strain energy (25 delta is equal to 1020 by ei, or delta is equal to 40.8 by ei. This is the answer. Thank you.